Hey, welcome to this radio channel, and as we are going to start posting in the next days videos about SDR receivers. SDR means software defined radios. These are very inexpensive radios that basically just have one thing missing: the controls and the display. And that's where your computer comes in, because your computer becomes the controls and the display of the radio. Some people say, well, that's not a radio, you shouldn't have that. It is a radio. You have to plug in an antenna. It receives the signals from an antenna. It is a radio. It's just that instead of having a computer chip inside a little box with a display and controls, it's the computer that does the job. So I'm going to show you one that I'll be using a lot to show demonstrations. If you want to really start in a very inexpensive way, well, you've got two choices here. I'm showing both because some people like to have a little box. This one is the boxed version of the Soft66RTL. This is a wideband receiver, about 500 kilohertz, way up to 1.7 gigahertz. And it is pretty amazing for the price. I mean, for somebody that's a little tech oriented, loves computers, loves radio, this is a great match, and it's actually pretty amazing for the price. Now, you also have, and you see the price here is $39.80 US, and you can have, if you want, a little cheaper at $36 US, not big difference. The one that I have here, which is an unboxed version. Basically, you pay $2.80 more for the box around it. So if you want to have a little box because you find that it's a little better, you can buy the boxed one. Or else you can buy this one, no box. This is the same thing, the Soft66RTL. So it's a wideband receiver, like I said. And you've got two antenna inputs, one for VHF, UHF, so above 30 megahertz, and one's for the HF, so if you want to listen to shortwave. This one has what we call an upconverter, and of course in the next few videos I'll be posting, you'll see how to set up HD SDR, SDR sharp, how to set the offset, how to get the files that you need to have everything working. And so this is going to be kind of easy how to start listening to the radio with an SDR receiver. This is probably one of the best for the price, because not only do you have shortwave, you do have VHF, UHF capabilities with it, and it's very, very sensitive. So it's really, really nice. And you know what? I've been using this one on my 100 feet outdoor wire. Gives an amazing performance on shortwave, and when you tweak, gives a great performance on VHF, UHF range also. So you'll see all the details of how to set it up, and also all the add-ons, all the stuff you can do using this little device. So all you have to do go on eBay, search for Soft66RTL2, and like I said, you have the one with the box, and you've got the one without the box. So works fantastically well, not expensive, and you'll get a nice little receiver. And if you want to know how to set it up afterwards, just watch the videos I'll be posting this week on SDR receivers. As also, this is going to be the topic of our next hangout coming this Saturday, which will be the first hangout of the year, where we'll talk about SDRs, software-defined radios. Now, there are other models, but this is the one that I'll be focusing on because this is the one that I'm using. But pretty much, if you follow the rules, whatever model you have, things are pretty much the same, so you can actually tweak your own model using probably the videos that I'll be posting. So if you enjoy my videos, why not subscribe to my channel? You'll be informed when new videos are online. If you have comments, questions, anything you want to know, let us know. Hope you continue following us on this radio channel.